So this is multi-protocol gateway for Neo Shield Neo. This is the communication between Paralarm and gateway and the BMS. This is 3 modules. The status of communication between the Paralarm to BMS. This is a motherboard for connecting these 3 modules. Okay, so this is a power with power supply. Also supplying to the modules and the communication between the gateway to BMS. So this is a 3 modules. You will see there's an error in communication because all LEDs are activated. And this is the rectification of error communication. You will see that the LEDs for 3 modules are all communicating to the gateway from Paralarm panel to BMS system integration. So you will see there's a good communication between the two. So the first video is the error communication between the BMS and the multi-protocol gateway, and the other one is the rectification of the error communication by disconnecting the terminal cables to the terminal block and connecting it back to the each terminal by the presence of power, and it rectify the error communication easily. Thank you so much. This is just for your information and guidelines.